Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on TradeLocker in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on TradeLocker.com. Afterwards, you can either create your demo account over here or you can also connect your broker inside it. So whichever method you choose, you are going to see this type of interface in front of you. So inside TradeLocker, you just have to simply look for this particular watch list in the right hand section. Over here, as you can see, currently I have opened the chart of BTC USD, but you can also look for any of the instruments here in the search bar, or you can also click on the option of all. Then you can basically filter all this watch list out with the help of these options available here. You can select either metals, then you can select forex, indices, cryptos, etc. So let's say I want to open the chart of XAUUSD. So after opening the chart, what I'm going to do is I'm going to analyze it first. And as per my analysis, let's say my view is to basically buying gold over here. So I'm going to basically add the lot amount here. So after adding the lot amount, I'm just going to click on the option of buy. And as you can see, as soon as I clicked on the option of buy, my buy trade is now placed and it is just showing over here on this particular chart. So that's how basically you can place your first order on TradeLocker in 2026 very easily. Thank you.